What's going on with the truckers? Here's the thing. I actually reached out to Josh because I had hundreds of subscribers send me links to his channel, Josh on Wheels, on TikTok. And basically, it looks like he was a truck driver from 2017 to 2020. And then September 12th of 2020, at the age of 24, he was involved in a horrific motorcycle accident that left him paralyzed from the chest down. Since then, he's been working hard to just relearn his skills, and he just wants to be a truck driver. But the thing is, because of his current condition, nobody will hire him. And so he's thinking that he wants to do it himself. If he could pay for his own lift and make arrangements to the truck, he believes that he can get the job done. He does have a GoFundMe, but that is not the reason why. He said he's really just looking for a company that will give him a chance. I'm sure there's possibly a company out there that would be willing to invest in helping someone like himself, because he does not want to give up. And so, mother truckers, I'm just showing you that, if there's a will, there's a way. Yes, in trucking, you have to pass your physical DOT. Yes, you have to be able to do the job. But, mother truckers, comment down below if you have information at all for Josh so that he could get his life back. If there are companies out there that make hand arrangements so that he could drive the semi-truck, definitely comment down below. Here's his information right here. But I just want to show positivity, and I think what he's doing is inspirational. But, he definitely needs help. So I'm using this channel, this platform, to hopefully maybe find someone out there, a company out there that believes that they can help this man. Mutha truckers, comment down below.